Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Photorealistic, modern, minimalist backyard, lush green grass, light brown wooden deck and stepping stones, stone walls with natural stone, dark gray/charcoal planters, potted plants and shrubs, open plan living space visible through large windows and sliding glass doors, light brown wooden pergola or awning, warm beige/tan light, natural stone accents, Japanese garden elements, high-quality photography, detailed, depth of field, outdoor living space, modern architecture, mid-century. Modern aesthetic, sunlit, bright, calm, focus on the space and natural elements. Hyperrealistic, large exterior panorama of a modern Mediterranean-style home at dusk, stone and wood facade, large windows showcasing warm interior light, a modern outdoor patio area with low stone walls delineating raised garden beds, various succulents, flowering plants, and shrubs in the gardens, paved walkways and stepping stones illuminated by warm-toned outdoor lights, natural trees and foliage surrounding the home, clear focus on the architectural details, warm neutral color. Palette featuring browns, creams, grays, and hints of purple and pink, rocky garden features, soft lighting. Modern home, exterior, contemporary architecture, impressionistic, sunlit, exterior patio, wooden decking, white gravel path, water feature, Japanese garden, stone patio, water flowing, pebbles, lush green trees, brown stone facade, brown wooden beams, glass sliding door, natural light, low angle, detail, sharp focus on water feature, high resolution, realistic lighting, calm atmosphere, warm colors, bright sunlight, detailed landscaping, plants, stones, foreground. Focus on water and stones. Modern minimalist courtyard house, 2 connected buildings, dark gray/black exterior walls, warm wood accents, large glass windows, dappled sunlight filtering through lush tropical foliage, garden with varied greenery and plants, gravel pathway, stone/paved patio areas, lots of soft warm lighting inside and illuminating the garden space, impressionistic, hyperrealistic, detailed, Zen garden aesthetic. Focus on peaceful and tranquil atmosphere, organic shapes, warm earthy tones, high quality render, 8K resolution, architectural photography. Photorealistic, exterior of a modern home, dark gray stone facade, lush greenery, ivy and plants cascading down the exterior walls, a paved patio area with soft warm yellow lighting, gray sectional sofa, potted plants, a mix of grass and low-lying shrubs, large windows with warm interior light, natural light, garden path made of stone pavers, realism, design, modern landscaping, focus on details, high quality, 8K, depth of field, smooth lighting, calm ambience, lighting accents. Zen garden, outdoor living space, contemporary architecture, dark gray and green color palette, smooth textures, evening atmosphere. Photorealistic, warm, inviting, Spanish-style home, terracotta-colored exterior, large front yard, vibrant colorful flower beds filled with an array of flowers in pinks, oranges, purples, yellows creating a dynamic garden, pathway of light beige paving stones leading to front door with arched entryway, blue front door, blue window frames, lush greenery, flowering bushes, potted plants, soft overcast lighting, subtle shadows, distant mountains, subtly hazy atmosphere, detailed landscaping. Impressionistic, carefully arranged plants and flowers, high resolution, beautiful home exterior, garden scene, exterior shot. Photorealistic, modern, contemporary, luxury home, nestled in a lush tropical garden, dark brown/black exterior, geometric roof lines, large glass windows, warm orange/amber lighting, illuminating interior spaces, visible living areas, outdoor patio with stone steps, greenery, trees, plants, wood beams, evening sunlight, forest setting, concrete/stone pathways, multiple levels, detailed architecture, outdoor lighting, impressive design, high quality, 8K resolution, detailed textures, ambient lighting. Modern house, contemporary architecture, patio, wooden deck, concrete planters, lush green plants and flowers, outdoor living space, large windows, natural light, warm color palette, brown, beige, gray, rustic, minimalist design, hyperrealistic, detailed, high quality, smooth concrete, wooden beams, plants hanging from balcony, comfortable seating, outdoor furniture, organic shapes, patio with steps. Garden with low-maintenance plants, daytime sun, bright sunlight. Perspective view, detailed shadows, photorealistic, detailed wood grain, concrete retaining walls, section of modern home exterior. Modern minimalist house, contemporary architecture, aesthetics, hyper-realistic, exterior, sunny day, brown wooden siding, black metal roof, large windows, glass walls, interior view visible, zen garden, gravel pathways, various succulents, cacti, rocks, foliage and shrubs, water feature, Japanese-inspired landscaping, warm and neutral color palette, browns, grays, beige, outdoor furniture. A small statue/sculptures, detailed textures, soft shadows, perspective, midday. Sunlight. Photorealistic, charming, pastel color palette, front yard of a small, light gray cottage, white picket fence, gravel path leading to the front door, lush flower beds bursting with various pastel pink, purple, white, and blue flowers and plants, decorative shrubs, trees in the background, sunny day, soft light, impressionistic details in the flowers and foliage, detailed textures of the gravel path and flowers, a touch of vintage charm, peaceful and serene, well-maintained garden. Modern, contemporary house, landscape terrace, hyper-realistic, multi-level outdoor patio, terraced garden, vibrant orange and yellow wildflowers, purple sage, various other wildflowers, gray concrete steps and patio, light beige and gray facade with dark gray roof, large windows, lush greenery, sunlit scene, open-air living space, mountain view in the background, detailed landscaping, organic textures, impressionistic lighting, natural light, peaceful, modern architecture. California style, stone and wood accents. Photorealistic, impressionist, rustic Scandinavian garden, charming red wooden cabin in background, weathered wooden bench with detailed carvings, filled with wildflowers, yellow, purple, lavender, and orange flowers, gravel pathway, trees and foliage, soft sunlight, details of the garden, peaceful, daylight, vintage, shallow depth of field, high resolution, close-up on the bench and flowers, small rocks and pebbles on pathway, details of the wood and the flowers, warm colors. Detailed textures, carefully arranged flowers.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4DX Design channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.